Mr.Soorya. I am coming from Tirupur and I have completed my Bachelor of Commerce with Computer Applications in 2022, and I have worked in a non-IT background at HCL Technologies, and after that I have taken a decision to step up my career to IT. So I joined in QSpiders, and it's been up to 8 months. I have got placed in Amazon with a package of 2.55 LPA, and the role is testing. And about QSpiders, I am very happy that I have joined here. I have joined, my friend recommended about QSpiders, so I have joined here. And Nitya ma'am who have helped us to get into QSpiders. And after that, Tabre sir, Bharat sir, Shambhu sir, Pawan sir, and especially ma'am from HR team, Karthik sir and Keethini ma'am have helped and reach out with many requirements, and finally I have got placed in Amazon. I am very happy about QSpiders.